Good morning, everybody. It's May 31st, and I will be explaining a little bit more in detail about this week's lesson, and specifically today. So we will learn about prepositions of place and out, between, next to, above, under, and housing. So by the end of this week, you should be able to, for the listening speaking class, they should be able to describe the place they live in. So you can say that I live in a house, I have this many bedrooms, I have one bathroom, I don't have a basement, or maybe I have a laundry room. You can say that the bathroom is next to the bedroom, for example. And for the reading writing class, the morning class, the same thing, but they don't have to talk about it. They have to write sentences about their house or apartment or townhouse. Okay, so as you know, we always start at our blog, on our blog, and let's see what we have for this week. Okay, share my blog. Hopefully you can see it. Okay. And this is our blog. I make it bigger for you. So you remember that you can always go back to our blog and you can always see the homework here. You can see what you missed. If you didn't come to the classes on Tuesday and Thursday, you can always go to the blog and see what the homework was for that day. Okay. It's easier if you come to the lessons because then the teacher will explain the homework. Okay, so we have housing and we have prepositions of place. So let's just go here. I don't know if you can see this one. So this one shows you which one is above. Above means that it's not touching. So for example, if I have binder here and my hand is here, that's above, not touching. Okay, above, below or under is the same. In front of something, behind, next to, on, under, to the left of, to the right of, in between. So if you are not sure, translate this one for yourselves, and then you can do some exercises. So you have this little exercise. Let me copy and make it bigger for you in a second. Okay, here. And I will make it bigger for you. 1 second. There you go. Okay. So yeah, that should work. Okay. So you have this picture, you have things on it, you have books, you have a blackboard, you have a map, you have a book here, you have a pail here. So what you have to do, you have two words. The pencil is in the pencil sharpener, or the pencil is on the pencil sharpener. If you look here, I can try to make that one so you can see it better. There you go. So this is the pencil sharpener and the pencil is in the pencil sharpener. So that's why you circle in. And then you just copy the sentences and send it back to me so I can correct it. The loudspeaker is above the map, or the loudspeaker is below the map. This is the loudspeaker and it is above the map. Above the map. Let's change the color. Maybe you can see better. So this is the loudspeaker. It's above the map. So you will circle above. Okay. The keyboard is in front or behind the monitor. The keyboard is in front of the monitor. So you will circle in front of. Okay. So again, you have two boards, but you have to circle only one. The pen is to the left or to the right of the notebook. So this is the pen, this is the notebook. If you look at it, the pen is to the left, to the right, sorry, to the right of the notebook. So just circle to the right of. Okay, so this is one homework for today. The next one will be this one. Let's copy because I can make it bigger here. Only here. Again, you have to look at the picture, this picture, and choose the correct preposition. You have in, on, under, between, and beside. Sometimes they say beside, next to, or beside. Okay, sometimes under will be below. Okay, the same thing. So let me do some that I can see. Let's see, the telephone is, so this is your telephone. Where is the telephone? Well, let me do it now. Let's just try again. The telephone is the couch, next to the couch, or beside the couch. Okay, so you just have to type here beside the couch. Okay, and the apple is here. The apple is in the bag, so you just have to type here in. Okay, so this is your second homework, and we did this, I showed you this, and there is one more that you have to answer. Try to answer in full sentences. Where is the pen? You will say, the pen is under the box. Okay, let me copy this and show it to you how to do it. Okay, let me open a new one. There you go. Okay, so if I copy this from here, sorry. You go copy. I'll paste it here and I will show it to you. Okay, so in your notebook, you will have to write sentences. I'll make this big, big, big so you can see it. There you go. Okay, so number one, where is the pen? You look at the picture, you see that the pen is under the box. So here you will type when the computer lets me type. Okay, okay. So number one, the pen is under the box. Okay, and that's the answer for number one. Okay, I will do one more. For example, number two, where is the apple? The apple is in the box. Okay, the apple is in the box. Okay, please try to write full sentences to practice your English and your writing. And then I will make it red if you want so you can see it better. I make it bigger, so try to answer full sentences. So the pen is under the box, the apple is in the box. Okay, so these are your homeworks for today. And quickly, I just want to show you what else we have for the week. So as you remember, Tuesday, we have a lesson in Carolina's room for both morning and afternoon students. We will talk about rooms in a house, things in a house. If we were back in a class, I could teach you a little bit more, but I will send out some exercise papers if you want to learn more. So for tomorrow, I will explain it. You have to write 10 sentences with these 14 words. Okay, you have roof, bedroom, door, bathroom, kitchen, and stuff like that. And I will ask you to write 10 sentences with those 14 words. If you can, please, I will ask you to please use one of the prepositions in it, like on, in, the bedroom is next to the kitchen, or that's very unlikely, but yeah. Okay, so let's see. Then you have some homework on avenue. On Wednesday, you just have to answer questions about your house or apartment or townhouse, depending where do you live. I live in a house, I live in a townhouse, I live in an apartment. Okay, how many bedrooms do you have? We'll discuss it. So I want you to answer these questions. And then what do we have? And we have this video. And then the afternoon students, they have to do this. And the morning students will have to do in writing. Okay, sorry, my computer is going nuts. When I make it big, it's hard to navigate. Okay, so this will be for the morning students. And for Thursday again, we have a lesson for the morning students at 9 o'clock, and 10 o'clock we have the afternoon students. Again, I put one more practice here, in the house, prepositions of place. I will explain that later. So all you have to do, just pick the correct prepositions. If I click on it, it will take me here. I can make this one bigger. This one lets me make it bigger. And what you have to do, you have to choose between which one is the good preposition. You look at the picture, answer. And these ones are true and false. So all you have to do here, type T or for true and type F for false. Okay. Then the toilet is here. You have to type in. The toilet is in the bath, next to the bathtub. Okay. The shelf is on the wall. Okay. And you have to use these ones between, under, next to, under, opposite, in front of, and then you have multiple choice. Here you have three, and you have to click on the correct one. So this one is for, I believe is Thursday. Yes, this is for Thursday. And then you have more homework on Avenue. 1, 2, 3, I would like you to try. And Friday, you will have a writing assessment. You have to write about your place. You say that where you will say, I live in a house, I live in an apartment. Then 3 things in the living room. In the living room, I have a table, a TV, and a nightstand, for example. How many bedrooms do you have? I have this many bedrooms. How is your kitchen? My kitchen is very small, very large, but we'll practice on Thursday. And then one uh, of your choice that you can say, I don't have a garage, for example. Okay, all sentence. And then the speaking assessment will be the same. The only thing will be that I will ask them questions, and then they will tell me about their house or apartment. And another homework for 5 and 6 on Avenue for you to try. Okay, so this is this week's homework and exercises. If you have any questions, please message me. You know I'm here for you, and see you tomorrow at 9 o'clock, everybody. Have a beautiful day. Okay, bye.